Okay guys, so in this video here we are going to go ahead and be unboxing Play by Sephora. I did recently unbox my BoxyCharm. If you want to see that, go ahead and check it out on my channel. I will try my best to link it down below if it is already out. So let's just get started and open this one up. Oops. I'm really trying you right now. Like, I can't open this for shit. Okay, so this is what she looks like here. This is the theme. I literally just went to Sephora yesterday and could have used this bitch, but I'm probably gonna go back tomorrow. Hopefully, oh wait, or the next. I'm gonna go back. So yeah, I will definitely use that. So headache. Oh, I got a migraine. No, go away, please. Go away, go away, go away. I see my son's socks down here and they stink so bad. So yes, this is the bag that we got this time. I feel like all the bags, they always look the same. But on the back it says your once a month sequel-inducing bag of amazingness is here. I would say that Play by Sephora is definitely not my favorite one, but it's a good one. So the first thing that I see here is from Amika. It's the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. It is obviously an oil absorbing spray that instantly refreshes your hair and adds volume. I do like Amika. They smell really, really nicely. Looking on the back here, I see that it does contain fragrances, which is probably what makes it smell so good, but I don't see that it contains any sulfates or silicone, so that's great. I will definitely use that. The next thing in here is from IT Cosmetics, and guys, I don't fuck with IT Cosmetics. I don't do it because it breaks me out. I tried their cream in this like little, you guys know what cream I'm talking about. We've all received it in these beauty boxes, the little circular one. They break me out, and it broke me out so bad, like so bad. So I am not going to touch this, but this is the Get It All Clear from IT Cosmetics. It's a Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleanser Serum. Again, it's not for me, but maybe one of you guys may like it. I'm gonna leave it untouched so that I can include it in a giveaway. You guys know that when I do these unboxings, anything that I do not like, I don't even try to open it because I offer it to you guys in a giveaway. Or if it's something that I swatched and then I thought about it and I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna probably not use it, then I give it to a loved one, and so on and so forth. So yeah. The next thing in here is a repeat. This is a Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. So this is actually one of the products that I do like. I didn't think I was going to like it when I first received it, but I do like it. It's a very good mascara, and it's a full volume mascara that coats lashes and saturates them in a black shade. So again, I do like this mascara. Let me go ahead and show you what the actual bottle looks like. This is definitely something that I would consider purchasing, but my problem with mascaras are that I need the small size. I have sensitive eyes, so I can't do the big tubes because within 2 weeks I gotta throw it out, so it's a waste. So I always just get like the little mini mascaras. So I'm happy that I got this because I was running out, so that is a plus for me. We also have something in here from Makeup Forever, and it says it is the Ultra HD Foundation Tint. This is another repeat because I just threw out my other one that I had. Let's go ahead and look at it. So yeah, this is in the shade 7201. That's what it says. Oh no, it's actually in the shade Y415. This is what it looks like here. It's a little mini. What I need to definitely do, I'm not going to open it because when I open it again, the expiration starts to kick in. It lasts for over a year, but I have like a big old bag full of little mini samples because I wanted to do a full face using like the little mini makeup samples. And yeah, so I want to go ahead and put this in that bag so that I can get that video out of the way, and then just give the samples to my loved ones, or throw them in the bag, or throw them in the trash if they're like not worth it at all. But this foundation here says that it is a lightweight medium coverage foundation that hydrates the skin for an even complexion. I think that it was a good foundation. I don't normally like wearing foundation, so I don't do it, but it's a good foundation. I just think that the color was a little bit off. So the next thing that I see in here, I believe, are you the bonus? I think this is the bonus. No, you are not the bonus, girl. So this is the Golden Hour Glow First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Mask. So it's a daily treatment pad that exfoliates and tones and brightens all skin types. So you basically white pad across the face and neck and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. So it's basically like a toner in a little like pouch. I like this. I'm gonna try this out. My favorite go-to toner is Witch Hazel from Dickinson, and it's my favorite. It really helps tighten my pores. It really helps my face stay clean and acne free. I really do like that thing, but I'm gonna try this and see how this works. I really have been like looking into like Tatcha Beauty or a toner because I use basically everything from that line, so I really wanted to try a new toner anyways, and First Aid Beauty is actually a good brand. So yeah. The next thing in here is Black Opium from Yves Laurent, and if I remember correctly, I do not like this, but it says feminine, seductive, and intoxicating in this scent, delivers a modern, young, vibrant blend. I feel like I smelled this before and I didn't like it because it smelled like an old lady. Oh my god, this one actually smells good. You guys, they actually sent me a perfume that smells good and not like old lady. That smells so good. I like fruity, floral kind of fragrances, and normally they send me musky, woodsy kind of shit, and I think they do that because of my age. But this smells good. Yes, bitch. This smells so good. It doesn't have the notes on here, unfortunately. So I can't really tell you. I do smell a little bit of musk in there, like a little scent. You know how sometimes in like floral fragrances, they just throw like a little musk, like a little drop. Like, I don't know why they do that, but it's like an after note. It's like the last note, you can tell, but it's definitely very floral, and then like a little hint of fruity, and then a little drop of musk, but you really can't smell that musk. So I like that, and I normally don't like those. So out of this box, I definitely do think it was an okay box. There are more things in here that I would use than I wouldn't, so that's a good plus for me. And for, I believe, $12, I think that it was definitely worth it. So yes, Sephora is definitely your box of samples if you want to just try shit out. Don't expect anything full size from Play by Sephora because it's not going to happen. So let me know what you guys got in your box this month if you do receive it. If you don't receive it, let me know if it seems like something that you would definitely be wanting to go ahead and try out. And if you do want to try out, I always have links in the description box for you guys for all of my beauty boxes to go ahead and check it out. So yes, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, what you guys got, and what you guys think that you would try from this box. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe if you would like to. I do a bunch of videos here, from beauty to unboxings, as well as art videos and lifestyles. So yes, this is basically a channel of my life. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I love you guys and appreciate you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!